This auction is for a Tokyo high power amplifier. The model is an HL 1.5 KFX. This is a 1,000 watt amplifier. The issue being with this amplifier is I put a push to talk in the back, to key it up, and it will not key. So the problem is, let me show you. I turn the amp on. As you can see, manually, everything's working. Go back down to 1.9, the antenna switch, everything works. The issue being, when I turn the amp on, first let me show you the drive. I've got my radio. As you can see, it's on 160 meters. So, and I got this on the 100-watt scale. I'm doing 90 watts drive. So with 90 watts of drive, I'm going to switch this over to 1,000. And what happens is, once you put this into operate, when you go over here to manual and just touch it, you'll see over here, you'll see the transmit light come on. See? Right here. Now, if I key it with 90 watts, I'm getting a little over 1,000 watts. Okay? So I can go now, I have to shut it off and then go to the next one, 80 meters. Go 80 meters here. I turn the amp on. Same thing. When I touch this up button, the transmit light button comes on, and I'm getting about 1,000. Okay, sorry, I got a glare on the meter there. Let me go to 7 megahertz, 40 meters. Shut the operate off. Go to 7 megahertz, 40 meters. Turn this on, and I press that, and the transmit light comes on, and we get 1,000 watts, close to. So now we'll go, I'm just going to show you, it works on all band, 10 megahertz. Let me shut this off here. Go up to 10 megahertz. Operate. And put this here. Hit it. Transmit light comes on. And we got about 950 here. Okay. Shut the operate light off. Go to 14 megahertz. And go up to 14. Okay. Hit operate. Okay, I'm on 14. Okay. Hit that. And key it up. And I got about 950. Okay. So we'll go up to 18 megahertz. I'm going to shut that off. Oops. 18 megahertz. Put that on. Hit manual again. Key it up. About close to 1,000. Okay. And we'll go ahead and shut this off. Oh. This is 18 and 21. So I go to 21 megahertz. Okay, I'm on 21 megahertz. Operate. You hit it, it goes in transmit mode. It's a little over 1,000. Okay, so we're going to shut this off. Go up to, oops, past it. 24 megahertz. Let's go 24 megahertz here. Hit operate. Press the up button. Goes into transmit mode. That one's about 800. A little bit above. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So now we got to shut this off. It's we'll go to 28 megahertz. Okay. So we're on 28 megahertz. I hit the operate. I touch this button, the up. kicks in the transmit mode, and we got about 900. So shut that off. Okay, I'm gonna switch this over to upper sideband, and let's see if we got modulation. Okay, hello, hello. So it goes way up over, goes over 1,000 watts. So I shut this off, shut the power off. This should make a real good deal for somebody, because it may be a bad diode or something. Because it's not keying from the back, it's keying when you hit this button here. So I mean, the amplifier is working. You know, the finals are good. Everything seems to be working. Even the protection. I'm going to show you something just real quick. See, if I turn the radio on, let me see here. Yeah, on 28 megahertz, and for instance, Sam and Rit, and I'm on, say I'm on 21 megahertz. I'm off, you know, I'm not on the right band. If I key it up, now it goes in trans. When I key it up, shuts down the drive. See, the light's on, so it has protection in it, so you can't damage it. So anyway, the amplifier needs some work. I don't think it needs that much. I know nothing about amplifiers, so somebody should be getting a nice deal here. This amplifier is really in clean condition, very nice, and it does put full output power. It does have issues. The push to talk in the back, when you go to key it up, like I said, I'm using this button here, doesn't work. But whenever you put it in the mode and put it in the operate and hit manual up, it goes into the transmit mode. So look at the pictures and bid only if you're a serious bidder, please. This also comes with an 1 RCA cable, 110 volt AC power cord, and a printed copy of the operating manual. Thank you for looking.